live my life on the road. Doesn't mean I don't have
the truck show in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm Megan Pino, the Shell Rotella Global Brand Manager, and I'm standing in front of this beautiful truck. This is the StarShip initiative. This is a co-engineering project that Shell has undertaken with Airflow Truck Company. It is a demonstration vehicle for us. We are looking to combine technologies that are available today, as well as some future custom technologies to demonstrate what's possible in maximizing freight ton efficiency and lowering CO2 emissions. So you might be wondering what type of truck this is. It is a diesel truck, but like I said, we've implemented a lot of technologies into this truck in order to maximize the efficiency. So from the aerodynamics to efficiencies built into the drivetrain to solar panels and side skirts, all of these types of technologies working together to maximize the freight ton efficiency. But for us, this is a demonstration vehicle. We are trying to elevate conversations in the industry and help people to realize what could be possible today. So leveraging things that they can implement on their truck today to realize some savings and fuel economy as well. You might wonder also how you get in the truck. So this is the door right here that opens, and there is a stair set that comes down here. So smooth paneling to improve the aerodynamics. And I'd like to introduce Dan Arcy from the Shell Technology team to talk a little bit about some of the engine oil technology implemented here.
All right. Hi, I'm Dan Arcy, Global OEM Technical Manager for Shell Lubricants. And as Megan said, we've built a lot of different technologies into this vehicle. In fact, we bucket them kind of into three different areas: aerodynamics, efficiencies, and then the Shell Lubricants technologies. And I'd like to kind of walk you through just some of the technologies that we're using. Obviously, the aerodynamics, you can see from the aerodynamic cab here, but this was all done by building a carbon fiber cab, so we have a lot less weight, again, to help improve fuel efficiency, along with all the skirting and such down the side of the vehicle, again, to increase airflow or improve airflow, and again with the bow tail on the back. Some of the efficiencies we've done with this truck is a 6x2, so again, lowering the weight by having just a one drive axle in the vehicle. We also have solar panels on top of the trailer. It's 5,000 watts of solar panels generating electricity to charge a 48-volt battery system to operate the hotel loads as well as operate the climate control systems within the vehicles. And then finally, the lubricant technology. And what Shell has done here is we've put into this engine a FA4 5W30 engine oil. So this is the latest technology for heavy-duty diesel engine oils that provides fuel economy benefits. Along with that, with the transmission and axles, we're running our fuel economy Spirax gear oil and axle oil. These are lower viscosity products that can provide some fuel economy benefits. Now, some of these technologies that we use are not necessarily readily available today, but there are some that are. The engine oils. We make a 10W30 FA4 product that is available today. We also make a CK4 10W30 product that's available today. These products can provide fuel economy benefits over your F15W40 products that you're using today. So products like Shell Rotella T5 10W30 CK4, in a lot of cases, can be a replacement for the 1540 product that you're using in your engine today and provide a fuel economy benefit of 1.6% or greater. One thing I wanted to point out here is this truck is fully licensed and drivable. It drove down here to the show, and it's fully set up to be able to haul freight across the country. And what I'd like to do is turn it back over to my colleague Megan to talk to you about what's next with the Shell Star initiative.
Thanks, Dan. Yeah, so as Dan mentioned, this truck is fully legal and able to be driven, and so we'll be taking it to several other events after we're done here in Louisville. We'll be going to a Shell event called Make the Future in Sonoma, California. So that's a large event that Shell does every year where we demonstrate future possibilities in terms of energy reduction. And then it will be going to the ACT Expo in Long Beach, California. And after that, we'll we'll be conducting a coast-to-coast demonstration run. So as Dan mentioned, we'll be fully loading the truck to 80,000 pounds. We'll be carrying clean reef material that will be used to build an artificial reef that will be deployed off the coast of Florida. And we'll be demonstrating what the freight ton efficiency and fuel economy numbers are throughout that coast-to-coast run. That will be in mid-May, so we encourage people to come by and follow along. We'll be stopping at several truck stops along the way, and we'll be doing educational and fun events to honor the trucking industry and provide some information about the technologies that they can implement on their trucks today. And then we will round things out at the 36th annual Shell Rotella Super Rigs truck competition. This year will be at White's Travel Plaza in Racine, Virginia, June 14th through the 16th. So I hope that you would be able to join us for any of those events.
Ooh, yeah, ooh.